Gates open, they're up and racing. New chapter, friendly venture has it coming. Then comes Banay Banay, Citrus Admiral. Then moving up, Pegasus, Winking Eye comes next. Reality show running on the outside, Head Honcho. Then followed by Sugar Daddy. Next in line is Best Strike, make no mistake, Manila Magic. While Royal Aires is racing in 14th as they pass the last 600. New chapter leading the field. Banay Banay now running in second. Moving up, Winking Eye, Citrus Admiral, Friendly Venture. Pegasus moving up is Has It Coming together with Reality Show with 200 meters more to run. New chapter, Citrus Admiral moving up on the outside. We have new chapter, Citrus Admiral, now the leader and doing the better, winning the final race over Winking Eye. New chapter, then comes Banay Banay, Has It Coming, Sugar Daddy for your Super Sais.